Hello students, I am Basraj. I am taking English grammar class. I am taking English grammar class. I think it is my first class to you. You are a fourth standard students. Am I right? So tell me what you learned in a third standard in regarding the English grammar. What you learned grammar topics in third standard? Tell me. Yes, alphabets. First thing is alphabets. Totally, how many alphabets there are in English? How many alphabets there are in English? Tell me anyone. How many alphabets are there? 26. How many alphabets there are? There are 26. Yes, just I am going to write A, B, C, D, E, F, of G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are what? These are alphabets. Especially we call these are what type of letters? These are what type of letter? Small letter and capital letters. Did you learn? Did you learn small letters and capital letters? What type of letters these are? These are capital letters. So let us see small letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, capital letters and small letters. So even these are in alphabetical order. These are in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means A, B, C. It's like when you write it is called alphabetic order. If you write this like this is not alphabetic order. If you write this like it is not called alphabetical order. Just you write one by one A, B, C, D up to Z without any letter missing. When you write that is called alphabetical order. I think already you studied in previous classes. Okay. So how many groups are there? Tell me. Two groups are there in the alphabets. How many alphabets? Sorry, how many groups are there? Two groups are there. One is a vowel. Another one is a consonant. Tell me, how many vowels are there? Five vowels are there. S, A, E, R, O, U. These are called what? Vowels. Remaining 21 letters of we are called consonant. A, E, I, O, U. Circle word, those are vowels. Remaining letters are called what? Consonant. Tell me what are the remaining letters are in the alphabet? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are called what? Consonant. Is it understand? What is vowel? How many vowels are there? And consonants are? How many consonants are there? 21 consonants are there. Is it understand? So let us see next. Word. Word means what? Tell me. What is word? Word means what? It's very small thing. It's very small thing. The smaller meaning is there. Word means what? Just look at the board. Just I write something. Just look these 5 words. So these are not correct. These are not correct. Tell me how you make it correct. First one is what you write. First one is rose. Next, when you write something, you use what? Pen. Then nation. Fourth one, flower. Third one, what thing we use to clean the board? Duster. Is it right? So here rose, pen, nation, flower, duster. Now these are correct word or meaningful word. These are correct or meaningful word. Is it right? So tell me now, word means what? Word means what? What do you think? Tell me. Word means what? It's common thing. Word means what? Just a group of what? Letters. Group of letters. Tell me now. Word means what? Word is group of letters. In the first word, how many letters are there? In the first word, 4 letters are there. Then pen. Then nation, flower, duster. This like alphabets group makes what? Word. Alphabetic groups make a word. Is it right? So it is a word. It is a word. Now you write down the example. Write down the example first. Those only you take down, Those only you take down. Rose, pen, nation, flower, duster. These are words example. Okay. Next thing is sentence. Next thing is a sentence. Tell me what is sentence? What is sentence? Sentence means what? What is sentence? Just I am going to write something on the board. Just look at the board. Just a minute. See here. 5 examples are here. All these are correct? Tell me. All these are correct? First one, who want to tell take? First one, who want to tell correct? Yes. First one, how do you write correctly? I cut an apple. I cut an apple. Then second one, who will do? Yes. She is an engineer. She is an engineer. She is an engineer. Third one, tell me. What is beautiful? Rose is beautiful. Is it right? Rose is beautiful. Yes or no? You agree now? Rose is beautiful. Then I like mango. Then we are students. We are students. I hope you understood. Now what is sentence? What is sentence? Tell me what is sentence now. Try to say what is sentence. So when we have done this work, I think you understood very well what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words. Sentence means what? A group of words. It gives complete meaning. Does it understand? You got it? Now what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words. It gives complete meaning. Just we take first example. How many words are there? Just to calculate. In the second example, how many words are there? Third example, fourth example, fifth example. This like sentence means what? A group of letter or word. Sentence is a group of words. Does it understand? Now you write down the example. Write down very fast. Write down very fast sentence definition with what are these? These are examples. Does it understand? So, do you know kinds of sentence? Do you know kinds of sentence? How many kinds of sentence are there? Tell me how many kinds of sentence? Kinds of sentence. Next thing is what? Kinds of sentence. Tell me how many kinds of sentence? Any idea? Yes. 4 kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence? 4 kinds of sentence. Let us see what are those. What are the 4 kinds of sentence? First one is assertive or declarative. Assertive or declarative. Then interrogative. Third one imperative. Next imperative, then exclamatory. One more is there, that is a negative sentence. One more is there, that is a negative sentence. Do you know how to make negative? So just to simply write down negative sentence. Negative sentence. See here, these are kinds of sentence. Let us study one by one. So what type of example we should write for assertive sentence, then interrogative and imperative and exclamatory, then negative sentence. Write down. Is it over? Shall I go further? Yes. Let us see kinds of sentence one by one. First one is what? Assertive sentence. First one is what? Assertive sentence. Now you tell me what is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentences are simple sentences. Assertive sentences are simple sentences. For example, we go to school by bus. How do you come to school? By bus. Anybody have aeroplane or train? How do you come to school? By bicycle or bus or auto. Is it right? Then Raju writes a novel. Then they play volleyball. She is a dancer. Then I write a story. I write a story. See here, all these are what? Assertive sentence example. First one is we go to school by bus. Then second example is there. What is that? Raju writes a novel. Then they play volleyball. Then fourth example is there. Let's see what is that. She is a dancer. She is a dancer. So next fifth one is here. I write a story. These are assertive or declarative sentence examples. These are. So negative. Negative means what? Negative sentence also you have taken. Negative means what? In the sentence we use not. We use what? Not. In the sentence it is called a negative sentence. For example, it is assertive. Na? Just write down here negative. How you make these are the examples in a negative. We go to school by bus. How to make negative? Tell me. We not go to school. We not go to school by bus. Do you say this like? Oh, wrong. If you say this like totally that is wrong. When you make a negative, we should use what? Helping verbs. We should use what? Helping verbs. What are the helping verbs? Tell me. Do, does, have, has, am, is, are, had, shall, will. Those are called what? Helping verbs. We should use the helping verbs when you make a negative or interrogative sentence. So that's like we go to school by bus. How do you make it negative? Tell me. We do not go to school by bus. We do not. What helping verb we have used here? Do. Then what is that? Not. So in the sentence, when we see the not, automatically you try to understand it is a negative sentence. Is it understand? We do not go to school by bus. Negative. Second example, Raju doesn't or does not write a novel. Write a novel. Third example. How you make it negative? Tell me. They play volleyball. They play volleyball. Tell me how. They do not play volleyball. Are you understanding? about the example. Already helping verb is there. Just you had only not. Is it? What is helping verb here? Is. So just you had not. She is then not. She is not a dancer. She is not a dancer. So last one is I do not write story. A story. Is it understand? What is the difference between assertive and a negative? When you make a negative, we should use what? A helping verb. When you make a negative or interrogative, we should use what? A helping verbs. You should keep this point in your mind. Don't say I not go to school. You should say what? I do not go to school. Some children are telling I not go to school. Oh, that is a wrong. Okay, I do not go to school. That is a right. Okay, write on fast. I have taken the examples. Write fast. How much time you need to take all these examples? Just only 5 examples are there. Write fast, very. Assertive and negative sentence. I hope you understand. Assertive and negative. Then second one is what? Interrogative. Second one, interrogative. Let us see. What is second one? Interrogative. Interrogative means what? Interrogative means what type of sentence? Interrogative means what? At least interrogation means what? Interrogate. It means inquiry. So interrogative sentence, ask a question. Ask a question. It ends with what? Question mark. Ends with what? Question mark. In the interrogative sentence, two types are there. One is WH, another one is yes or no. In the interrogative sentence, two types are there. First one is WH, another one is yes or no. Let's see examples. Tell me, what is it? Do you go to school? School of Bangalore, what is that? Yes. Do you go to Bangalore? Afterwards, we should use what? Question mark. What do you like? Add your lunch. When do you get up? When do you get up? Then, who is your father? Who is your father? So just see, these are the examples. First one is, do you go to Bangalore? Do you go to Bangalore? What type of sentence it is? All these are interrogative sentence. Here WH and S or no. Here, do you go to school? What type of question it is? It is a yes or no. It is a yes or no. When we make yes or no type questions, we should use what? Beginning what we use? Helping verb. So here also helping verb. Is it understand? Yes or no? When you ready to make a question or frame the question, we should use what? Beginning, we should use a yes or no. Sorry, helping verb. Then what, when and who. These are called what? WH. WH na? When, who and here what. Start with what? WH. That is called a WH question. Another one is yes or no type of question. Two type of questions are there. Is it understand? Write down very fast. Next sentence is imperative. Next sentence is what? Imperative. Next sentence is a imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means what? Tell me. Can you say anyone? Can you say what is imperative? It gives a order. It gives a command, order, suggestion, request, etc. Imperative means what? It gives a command, order, suggestion, request. For example, get out from my class. From my class. Get out from my class. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up on the bench. These are what? These are the just express what? Order. Is it right? So please give your pen. It is what? Request. Okay. Never tell a lie. Yes. Don't tell lie. Don't tell a lie. So never. Sorry. Never tell a lie. It is what? A suggestion or advice. It is a request. Then these are orders. Is it understand? First one, get out from my class. Then second one, sit down. Third one, stand up on the bench. Fourth one is, please give your pen. Then fifth example, never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. Does it understand? What is imperative sentence? These are the examples of imperative sentence. Command, order, suggestion or request. So last one is there. What is that? Exclamatory. Last one is there. That is a exclamatory. See. What is exclamatory sentence? Last one is a exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. It expresses strong and sudden feelings like happy, shock, surprise, etc. Does it understand? For example, how wonderful, how wonderful place is, how wonderful place is. Then wow, what a beautiful building. We use what? Exclamatory mark. Loss. She lost her child. She lost her child. So then, what a shame. What a shame. So these are called what? Exclamatory sentences. Example. So express strong and sudden. Don't take time. When you see a snake, automatically you feel what? Express suddenly. Hey, what is snake? What a poisonous snake. Is it understand? So express strong and sudden feelings. Those are called exclamatory sentences. Is it understand? Now you take down homework regarding what you have learnt in the class. Today we have learnt so many things. Alphabets, what is alphabetical order or dictionary order, and word and sentence meaning and kinds of sentence you learnt in the class. On the basis you should write 5 examples to each sentence. You should how many examples you should have? You have to write 5 examples. You have to write 5 examples to each sentence. Is it understand? Okay. See you in the next class.